We're learning today about how electric vehicles are really transforming the world. Everything's going to be different. Electric vehicles are going to be the dominant form of vehicles on the road.
It's really about seeing transport innovation, but also it's to encourage syndication between investors. We think that investors that play together invest together, and investing together is a good thing.
We started this morning at the Lyset building on Pakenham Street West. We had some briefings from Lime Scooters, Yugo, Ubco, Amazon Web Services, where some of these startups use artificial intelligence and machine learning to make decisions. And then after an hour and a half of that, we scooted across here to Juicy. We're at Juicy now. We've heard from Your Drive and we're hearing from Movin, a couple of other innovative startups in this space, and we're going to have some pizza here, and we've had a chance to mix and mingle with people who are just fascinated, passionate about this sector.
We were encouraged to dress up.
Some of us made an effort, didn't we?
Yeah, some of us did.
This was the prize for the best dress competition. They were interesting costumes and it was a highly contested competition, and Hataf won.
Wow, what an awesome day. 50 angels, we made a lot of new friends. If you want to find out more, come to our website